Okay, so here's a quick video on how to use the calculators. We'll first do it with the scrolling calculator, and then I will make a separate video with the non-scrolling calculator. That way you can just go to the video you need for the calculator you have.
Can the video hear us right now?
Yes, it can, so don't talk.
Hey, future Evelyn, when I watch this.
Okay, so number 25 is the fifth root of 32,768. So in this calculator, my exponent button is this caret, and then above it, it says x root. So that means I'm going to put the index in first, and then the button, and then the number underneath. So my index is 5, because it's the fifth root. So I plug 5. Well, it's got to turn it on. 5. Second, the power button. I see the x root there. And then 32,768, enter. Okay, that answer is 8. It's above the little caret. So second caret. We call it a caret. We call it the caret because when carrots are growing in the ground, the little peaks of the carrot peek out of the ground, and that's why it's called a caret. I don't make this stuff up. I didn't know. I didn't know that's how it was. I thought it was the leaf part. Yeah. There's a little bit of it. Okay.
Oh, okay. So it's that.
Ready for the next one?
Wait. No.
Let's skip down to 31, which is the fourth root of 187 cubed. So again, my index goes in first, 4. Second, x root, 187.
What is she typing?
What am I typing to get what? The x root?
House.
I'm hitting second,
Okay.
and then I'm hitting this button, the caret.
See, y'all would have just told me that. I would have been like 10.
I said it like 4 times.
Not you, not you. Not you, them. I asked them to help me.
And then I can raise it to the third power. Okay. I get 50.57 is what the book will ask for. Okay.
Wait, oh, I was doing the other one. Alright, there we go.
So we should get 8 for number 25. Now, number 27 is 25 to the negative 1/3 power. We're going to do 25, exponent button, parentheses.
Okay.
If I don't put the parentheses, your calculator uses order of operation, and it's going to go 25 to the negative 1 power, and then multiply it by 3.
That's exactly.
That's not what we want. So we need parentheses, and we need to make sure to use the negative, not the minus. If I use the minus button when I should be using negative, the calculator is going to say, what am I supposed to subtract? You have a parenthesis in front of my subtraction. And it gives you an error. Okay? So it's negative 1 fraction 3 or 1 divided by 3. Either one's okay. Close the parentheses, enter. That's the fraction button, A, B over C. Or you can do 1 divided by 3.
I got syntax error.
Because you use the minus instead of the negative.
Okay, hold on.
Cannot use minus, you have to use the negative.
Like the parentheses with the.
It's at the bottom.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Hold on. Bam, got it.
All right, and the last one is 20,736 to the 4/5. So 20,736 to the parentheses 4 fraction 5, close parentheses.